we're going to explore the top 5 best 60% mechanical keyboards of 2024. Whether you're a pro, gamer, or a typing aficionado, a great keyboard is essential. Our comprehensive buyer's guide features the latest 60% mechanical keyboard models, all available online and highly rated by users. You can check the description for pricing and purchase links. So let's dive into the world of compact and powerful keyboards in 2024. Securing the 5th position is the RK Royal K65 60% mechanical keyboard, an ultra compact powerhouse that defines excellence in the realm of mechanical keyboards. Designed for gamers who prioritize performance, style, and versatility, the RK65 wired keyboard stands out as a pinnacle in the 60% form factor. The RK65 features hot swappable red switches, offering a responsive and linear keystroke that caters to both gaming and typing enthusiasts. The hot swappable design provides users with the flexibility to customize their typing experience by easily swapping out switches without the need for soldering. The level of customization ensures that the keyboard adapts to individual preferences and usage scenarios. RGB backlighting takes center stage on the RK65, providing a visually stunning and customizable lighting experience. The vibrant RGB lighting can be personalized to match your gaming setup, mood, or aesthetic preferences, adding a dynamic and immersive element to the gaming environment. The ultra-compact layout of the RK65 contributes to a clutter-free and ergonomic workspace. The absence of the number pad and function now optimizes desk space while retaining essential keys for seamless gaming and typing. The keyboard's portability makes it an ideal choice for users who are always on the move, ensuring they can enjoy a high-performance typing experience anywhere. The RK Royal KLUDGE RK65 comes in a stylish white color variant, adding a touch of elegance to its design. The combination of the white frame and RGB backlighting creates a visually striking aesthetic that complements modern gaming setups and workspaces. Number 4. Corsair K65 RGB Mini. A compact marvel that embodies Corsair's commitment to quality and performance. This sleek keyboard is equipped with Cherry MX brand mechanical key switches, renowned for delivering a perfect balance between tactile feedback and quiet keystrokes. The K65 RGB Mini caters to both gamers and typists, providing an optimal typing experience in a compact form factor. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its customizable perky RGB backlighting. Corsair's IQ software allows users to unleash their creativity by creating unique lighting profiles for each key. Whether you prefer a subtle color scheme or a vibrant, dynamic display, the K65 RGB Mini lets you tailor the lighting to match your setup or mood. Enhancing convenience and versatility, the K65 comes with a detachable USB Type-C cable. This feature not only ensures a reliable connection but also allows for easy transportation, making it an excellent choice for those on the go. The USB Type-C interface reflects Corsair's commitment to keeping up with modern connectivity standards. The QWERTY NA layout ensures a familiar and comfortable typing experience for users in North America. The sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to any gaming or working setup, making the K65 Mini not just a high-performing device but also a stylish addition to any desktop. Number 3. Razer Huntsman Mini. Securing the prestigious 3rd position on our list of the best 60% mechanical keyboards is the Razer Huntsman Mini. Renowned for its innovation and cutting-edge technology, Razer has once again delivered a gaming keyboard that exemplifies excellence in performance and design. The Razer Huntsman Mini stands out with its 60% compact form factor, catering to gamers and enthusiasts who prioritize a sleek and minimalistic desktop setup. Despite its compact size, the keyboard retains the powerful performance that Razer is renowned for, making it an ideal choice for gaming on the go or in limited spaces. Featuring Razer's priority optical clicky switches, the Huntsman Mini offers a lightning-fast response with each keystroke. These switches utilize infrared light beams to register key presses, ensuring a rapid actuation time and unparalleled precision. This satisfying clicky sound enhances the overall typing and gaming experience, providing auditory feedback for every key press. Chroma RGB backlighting is a signature feature of Razer keyboards, and the Huntsman Mini is no exception. Users can immerse themselves in a spectrum of colors and lighting effects, fully customizable through Razer's Synapse software. The ability to sync lighting profiles with other Razer peripherals creates a unified and visually stunning gaming environment. Number 2. Corsair Pro 2 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. We present the Corsair Pro 2 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, a remarkable 60% keyboard that seamlessly blends performance, versatility and aesthetic appeal. Corsair Gaming has crafted a keyboard that caters to the needs of both gamers and enthusiasts, setting a new standard in the compact mechanical keyboard landscape. The Pro 2 boasts a true RGB backlit design, allowing users to indulge in a vibrant spectrum of colors that can be customized to suit personal preferences. The dynamic backlighting not only enhances the keyboard's visual appeal but also contributes to an immersive gaming atmosphere, making it a standout feature for those who value customization. One of the key strengths of the Pro 2 is its dual functionality. It can be used both wired and wirelessly. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, users can enjoy the freedom of wireless connection, untethered from their gaming rig. The extended battery life of up to 8 hours ensures that gaming sessions or work tasks are not interrupted by the need for frequent recharging. Equipped with Gateron red switches, the Pro 2 delivers a responsive and smooth keystroke experience. The full keys programmability adds a layer of customization, allowing users to create macros, reassign keys, and tailor the keyboard to their unique preferences. This level of programmability is particularly beneficial for gamers who seek a personalized and efficient gaming setup. Number 1. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless. Entering the ranks of the best 60% mechanical keyboards at the impressive number 1 position, we have the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless Hypermagnetic Gaming Keyboard. Renowned for its innovation and cutting-edge technology, SteelSeries has crafted a gaming keyboard that stands out in the competition landscape. The Apex Pro Mini Wireless boasts a compact 6% form factor, catering to users who prioritize a minimalistic setup without compromising functionality. With the world's fastest keyboard designation, this SteelSeries creation offers a gaming experience like no other. The redefined footprint not only maximizes desktop space but also provides a sleek and modern aesthetic. A standout feature of the Apex Pro Mini is its adjustable actuation technology. Users have the power to customize the sensitivity of their keys to match their preferred typing or gaming experience. This level of customization ensures that the keyboard adapts to the user's unique style, making it a versatile option for a wide range of applications. Equipped with RGB lighting, the Apex Pro adds a vibrant and dynamic visual element to your gaming station. SteelSeries Prism Sync technology allows for synchronized lighting effects across all compatible SteelSeries devices, creating an immersive and harmonized gaming environment. Featuring PBT keycaps, the keyboard combines durability with a satisfying tactile feel. PBT is known for its robustness and resistance to wear, ensuring that your key legends remain crisp even after prolonged use. In the ever-evolving world of mechanical keyboards, the year 2024 brings forth a lineup of compact and powerful 60% mechanical keyboards that cater to both gamers and typists. From hot-swappable switches to wireless freedom and customizable RGB lighting, these keyboards offer a diverse range of features to enhance your typing and gaming experience. Whether you're seeking portability, flexibility, or pure performance, our top 5 picks for 2024 have you covered. Elevate your keyboard game and enjoy the perfect blend of style and functionality with these top contenders. Thank you for watching.